horizontal projection height, this is ground, this is O, this is point A, this is object body, it is thrown horizontally, it touches the ground at B. This is horizontal projection. From a height, a body is thrown horizontally. A body projected, thrown horizontally from a height called horizontal projection. Projectile. This body, projectile. Body projected, thrown, called projectile. Trajectory. Yeah, this path, this path, trajectory. Path traveled, by body called trajectory. Range. Yeah. OB is range. Horizontal distance traveled. Called range. Here range R is OA. This is range. Time of flight. Time taken by object from initial to final points called time of flight. It is denoted by capital T. The range, capital R. Body, projectile. Again, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं वैसे ये इनिशियल स्पीड suppose t is time from A to B. It is time from A to O. It is time from O to B. ये बॉडी थ्रो करी हॉरिजॉन्टली, ये जो टाइम है यहां थ्रो नहीं, ड्रॉप की तो वही टाइम टी, ये वही टाइम टी, ये वेलोसिटी पैरेलल ले जाओ u. दिस डाउनवर्ड वेलोसिटी ऑलवेज gt. g इज एक्सेलरेशन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय टाइम, तो इट इज वेलोसिटी. Here t is 0, velocity is 0. As t increases, velocity increases. So this velocity always gt. Parallel, no change. This velocity is u, this will be u. This is constant velocity. Here the velocity goes on increasing. ये बॉडी ड्रॉप की है नीचे, यहाँ ये पाथ है बॉडी का, मान लिया ड्रॉप की ये, तो वेलोसिटी ऑलवेज gt. टाइम जीरो, द वेलोसिटी जीरो. इधर है वेलोसिटी, इधर नहीं है, नो. तो दिस इज व्हाट समथिंग अबाउट हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्शन, टाइम ऑफ लाइट, पाथ, ट्रेजेक्ट्री, पाथ ट्रेवल्ड, ये टोटल टाइम टिल इट वाज इन एयर इज व्हाट टाइम पीरियड, सॉरी टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट. Derive equation of path in horizontal projection. Show path is parabolic. This is horizontal projection. This is ground O. This point is A. This is body. This is what? Horizontal projection. This will be path. This distance say x. इक्वेशन कहाँ आएगी? एक्स वाई में. This distance y. always this distance is x. Let u velocity of horizontal projection t time from A to B. We know y OA height from object projected x OB range. We know S ut half at square. S is your y, u 0. इधर डाउनवर्ड वेलोसिटी क्या होती है gt. यहाँ टाइम 0, so this velocity is 0 into t. T is time from A to O. Because if this time is t, then drop में ये टाइम भी वही हाफ A प्लस G और y half gt square or t comes out to be 2y by g. 2y by g. It is t square and t comes out to be 2y 0. Now again s ut plus half at square s x u is u t is t. The acceleration is 0, so t comes out to be x by u from first and second. X by u is 2y squaring x square u square 2y g or x square 2 u square g into y or x square ky. This is what equation, derived equation of path in horizontal projection. But this equation is of parabola, hence path parabolic. If x is square, y is also square, then equation of circle. X square, y without square, this is of parabola. X, y, no square, this is equation of straight line. x plus y is 1, straight line. X square plus y square is 1 or something else. It is circle. X square ky, it is what? Parabola. So path is what? Parabolic. Derive expression for time of flight range velocity at any time in horizontal projection. This is horizontal projection. This is height. This is what? Range. Projectile object. Initial speed. It will touch the ground at B. This is O. This point is A. Let body is projected from height capital H with velocity u horizontally t time from A to B, or it is time of flight or horizontal range, simply range. Now we know S ut half at square this motion, if a body is dropped, this time is also capital T. This is capital T, so this will be what? Capital T. S is H U 0 T plus half GT square or T square 2h by g, or t 2h by g root. This is what time of flight. Second, second range, again s ut half at square. S is r u. Take this velocity parallel u. It is u, it is t, plus constant 0. U is u, t 2h by g root r. This is horizontal range, simply range. Third, let this be observation point. This is velocity v. P is observation point. V, velocity at P. This velocity always gt, parallel gt. What is this t? Time from A to P. This velocity always u, parallel le jao u. Then v comes out to b. This v is resultant of this and this, two velocities. Here at observation point v, we have to find out. So what is this v? Due to this and due to this. So it is u square plus g square e square root. This is magnitude. Let v makes angle beta with horizontal. This is beta. Then tan beta perpendicular, ये ले जाओ parallel, perpendicular upon base, or beta comes out to be tan inverse gt by u. This is velocity, magnitude and direction. So derive expression for time period. क्या है ये equation ले लीजिए. फिर ये equation range. Then velocity at any point, यहाँ से यहाँ का small t मान लिया हमने. ये velocity किसका है? Resultant है, जरूर कोई और velocities होंगी. ये तो ये थी. एक ये downward क्या थी? GT इनका resultant है. Projectile A projectile is fired with velocity 98 meter per second from hill, 490 meter height. Find time taken to hit the ground, distance of target from hill, velocity with it hit target. Projection is horizontal. Yeah. This is O, this is A, here is projectile, the velocity is U. This is path. This is that observation point where velocity will be what? V. This velocity is zt, so this velocity will be zt, this velocity will be u, this will be angle beta, already done in article. This is what? Range. This is what? Height. Here what is u? It is 98 meter per second. What is h? It is 490 meter. Now we know s, ut, half at square. S, this distance, this h. H is what? 490. U. The downward velocity is gt. Here time is 0, so initial velocity in downward direction is 0 into t plus half into t, capital T, time of light, half ag t square. So it is 490, 4.9 t square, or t square 490 by 4.9, it is what? 100. So t comes out to be 10 seconds. One answer. Find time taken. First. Second, distance of target. Here is target where the projectile hit. So this is second. S again. Ut plus half at square. Here S is range which we have to find U. U was 98 into T. T is what? Capital T plus half, whether constant as, so this is 0. Or 98 into T is 10. So range comes out to be 980 meter. Third, velocity at any point v is what? U square g square t square under the root. This is what? 98 g 9.8 into t 10 square. 98 common. What is left? 1. It is 98 square. So it is 1. 98 root 2 what? Meter per second. 10 beta. Direction. ले जाओ parallel GT. Perpendicular is GT by V. GT by V. GT. G is this, T is 10 by V. 98 or 10 beta is 1. So beta is what? 45 degree. A question. A body is projected at angle 30 degree upward with a velocity 9.8 meter per second from top of tower 29.4 meter high. How? Number one, long it will take to hit ground. What is horizontal range? This is ground. This is the tower. A tower. This height 29.4 meter. This is projectile, this is body, this is initial velocity 9.8 meter per second, thrown up at angle 30 degree, upward throw कर रखी है, तो this will be what? Path. Again, a body is projected upward with velocity with this at this angle. What will happen? It will hit the ground. So what we have to find this range OB and time of flight. Resolve this. It is u cos theta. It is u sin theta. Here it is u cos theta. Towards theta cos. Perpendicular, it is sine. So this velocity, downward velocity is not zero now, it is u sin theta, negative vector. Direction change कर दो. अब तक क्या आया था यहाँ डाउनवर्ड जीरो, अब ये वेलोसिटी है अपवर्ड यहाँ पर ये, तो डाउनवर्ड क्या हो जाएगी दिस. We know what we know, us ut half at square s 29 by 4. U downward, it is U sine theta, rather minus U sine theta, into T plus half G T square, 29.4 minus U 9.8 sine 30 into T plus half G 9.8 T square, 29.4 9.8 sine 31 by 2 into T plus 4.9 T square. It comes out to be 29.4 minus 4.9 T plus 4.9 T square. It is 4.9 T square minus 4.9 T minus 29.4 is 0. Divide by 4.9, it is T square minus T minus 6 is 0. It is T square minus 3T plus 2T minus 6 is 0. T common, T minus 3, 2 common, T minus 3 is 0. T plus 2, T minus 3 is 0. T plus 3 and T minus 2 second. So this is time of light, that is capital T comes out to be 3 seconds. Answer first. This is first part. What is horizontal range? Second. Again S. Ut plus half AT square. This velocity is constant, so 0S. Range U. U is U cos theta into T, capital T, U 9.8 cos theta, cos 30 root 3 by 2, T is 3. So it is 4.9 into 3, it is 4.9 root 3 root 3 watt meter. This is what the numerical